Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Super excited to walk you guys through one of our brand new Sylvans. Just got in. It's brand new 2026 Sylvan X1, black matte exterior and a black matte interior. This boat is absolutely incredible. Super excited to tell you guys about it. So starting back here on the swim platform, this boat is going to be powered by a Yamaha 150. You have a super nice and spacious swim platform back here, paired with a lily pad ladder. Makes getting on and off the boat really simple. Whether you have older folks with you out on the boat, young kids, or even your furry friends with you, makes getting on and off the boat really simple. You do have a really nice enclosure, stainless steel powder coated, with gates on the port and starboard side. And then back here you will have a really nice and spacious sunbed with a reversible lounger, so you can either sit forward, or if you're anchored up at the sandbar, you can move that back and have a nice sun lounger back here. This boat is equipped with a fully power bimini. You will have his and hers cockpit chairs. And then here at our helm station, this boat is going to have Wet Sounds upgraded audio system paired with a Simrad multifunction display. So this is going to give you everything from your chart plotter to your depth finder, along with your mercury gauges right here, and then all of your analog switches right here for your interior lighting, exterior lighting, bilge pumps, things like that. Underneath the helm station, you will have some storage. And then up here, you have really nice loungers, really spacious up here with a table. And then right beneath you, you're actually going to have a subfloor storage compartment or ski locker. Now, one of the things I want to mention, I know you're probably thinking a black interior might get hot in the summer, but this boat actually has cool touch interior vinyl, so no matter how hot it gets or how much sun this boat is taking, that the seats are going to stay cool and you're not going to burn yourself on them. So love to tell you guys more about this boat. If you want to come, if you're interested and you want to come check it out, visit us at marinemax.com, or if you'd like to come check it out in person, visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier.